Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you how to start managing your design tokens using the designtokens.io platform and how to real-time sync your tokens into Figma. Now, let's start by creating a couple of tokens. First of all, the color token. Give it a name and an appropriate value. And the second token we're going to create will be on the semantic level. I'm going to call it primary, since this will be the primary color of our theme. And we're going to choose the color token we've just created. And now they both are linked and have the same value. Now let's switch over to Figma. For this example, I'm going to create a simple button here. Let's call it sign up. And the goal here is to set the background color of the button to the primary color we've just defined. To do that, we're going to open up the designtokens.io Figma plugin. And as you can see, both of our design tokens have been synced to Figma. And indeed, if we open up the local variables, we can see that they are now available as Figma variables. They can now be used in our designs. And this is exactly what we're going to do. We switch over to a button and set the fill color to primary. Now, the background color of the button is defined by the design token we've just defined. Now, this was easy. Let's take it one step further. We're going to create a second theme here. Let's call it dark theme. And we're going to create a new color token, a different one with a different value. And this time we're going to set the primary color to the new color token. Now, let's go back to Figma. And we can see both of our themes are now available here in the plugin. And if you sync them, you can see that both our themes are now available as Figma variable modes. And using the Figma page settings, we can switch between the dark theme and the light theme, and the button will change accordingly. Now, keep in mind that design tokens are not just about color. You can also use them for typography, spacing, and so on. And using the designtokens.io platform, you can export your tokens not just into Figma, but also to all your other design tools and development tools using JSON, CSS, and so on.